Discover your musical potential. Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. For this week's video, we're going to learn G sharp major chord. I'd like to emphasize something. G sharp major chord is also a flat major chord, which I'm going to explain in the next part of the video. Okay, everybody. G sharp major chord. So, I want to tell you something, that the G sharp major is also called A flat major. The G sharp major, the G sharp is right here on the 4th fret. So this is G, okay? So sharp is, we go one semitone higher, G sharp, okay? So A flat is basically, it's one step lower than A. Fifth fret is A, natural, and then we go one semitone lower, and that's the A flat. So G sharp and A flat is exactly the same thing. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to how to play the accord. So, okay, you put your first finger on the 4th fret, the whole 4th fret. Okay, you put your second finger on the 5th fret, 3rd string. Then you put your third finger on 6th fret, 5th string, and then you put your pinky finger on 6th fret, 4th string. Okay, that's your G sharp major bar chord, or else you call it A flat major bar chord. Now remember, you use your fingertips like little hammers in order to have a good grip, so you do not touch the adjacent strings, so you can have a clear sound. Like, you don't want it to sound like this. You see the difference? Okay, and when you put your finger, your thumb, you put it in the middle of the finger, and it has to go like across. Okay, not like this, because that puts too much pressure on your wrist and you don't get the results that you want. So always put it like this. A lot of people put the thumb here. Now usually you do that with acoustic guitars. If you're able to, go for it. If not, if you don't get the right sound, avoid it. You see this? Because what happens is you don't have good control over your fingers here in order to give a clear sound. But if you place your finger on your thumb in the middle, guess what happens? You see the space? Now your fingers are free. They're flexible. They can go all the way through the fret, all the notes through the fretboard. This is the wrong way. This is the right way. Okay? And this is the G sharp major bar chord, or else A flat major bar chord, my friends. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, press a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.